Okay, Google. Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how I automated my normal switches to smart ones with the use of inbuilt Google Home app. If you have a light or fan connected to the switch, you can control it using both your switch and the mobile phone. The cool part about this is it fits under your switchboard's conceal box. I'll show you the basic working and the different features of this. Either you can use the Google Home app on your phone or control it manually using the switch. The main highlight of this project is that we are not removing any current functionality of your switch rather than adding a smart control mechanism for the switches. Recently, we have seen major outage from Google services. If it is only controlled by Google, we can't do anything when the service is down. This can also happen to third-party applications like Blynk IFTT, which you might have used. So we are not having that trouble because it can also be used by the switches. We run almost all our services inside the local network. So execution will be relatively faster. Also, you just need the Google Home app to control all your connected devices. You can also use any MQTT client application on App Store to control it locally. You can set custom routines in your Google Home app to control multiple devices with a single command, such as if I say good night, my lights will turn out and the fan will turn on. This can be modified however you want. You can control the devices from anywhere over the internet. For instance, you can check if any of your devices is turned on while you are outside and switch them on or off. If you have noticed, I'm not using any Google Home devices, so the setup cost is pretty cheap. You can automate a device for under 100 rupees. You can also program your smart TV to work with voice controls. Okay Google, lower the volume of LG TV, which will turn down the volume. You can also use voice commands to launch any install applications like okay Google, open YouTube or open Prime Video like that.
Okay, launching Prime Video on LG TV.
The code for this varies for different TV models, which is out of the scope of this video. If you're having an LG branded TV, this will work. Coming to the final part of the video, we'll quickly go over all the steps required to get it running. For beginners, this might be little hard to digest. Never mind, we'll do a full series explaining each step thoroughly. So these are the things you require to start working. You'll need an ESP8266, the specific version which I am using is 12F, a relay, and an power supply module. You can control a max of 4 devices with each ESP device. If you need to control more than that, you'll require an ESP32 device. It's basically an upgraded version of ESP8266. Okay, so over to the screen. For experts, I assume that you have the basic knowledge in flashing an ESP device. So quickly grab the code from my GitHub account. Links will be in the description. Open up your Arduino IDE with the code. You have to edit the Wi-Fi credentials, give your NESP a unique device ID, and also note down the GPIO pins which you need to connect to the relay and the switch. Now, choose the correct boards from the board manager and flash the code. So, you are done with the ESP part. If you have any confusions, you can check out the GitHub README page where I have added all the necessary information for flashing the code. Now, coming to the software part, this application is built upon Node.js for the Google Actions webhook APIs. You'll also need to install the Mosquito broker for the MQTT messages. I have added the detailed description in the Smart Home project in my GitHub account. Feel free to check them out. So that's it for the video. I know that this video doesn't justify the starters, but if I start explaining from the basics, this video won't end near soon. So I'll be doing a full video with the code explanation, flashing, MQTT protocol, installation, etc. in detail. So thanks for watching and see you soon.